Hello, what's up guys, Gazanfali here. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can perform the keyword research using a paid tool that is called SEMrush. So you might already be familiar with this tool. This is a very famous tool, one of the very famous tools. There are obviously other keyword research tools available online, but I have this tool that I always use to do the keyword research for the websites that I create. So recently I have created this website that is appointmentsetter.ca. This provides the services of B2B appointment setting and B2B lead generation services. However, I already have optimized this website for SEO, but still I wanted to create a video about how you can do the keyword research using the SEMrush. So if you want to learn that how you can do the keyword research for your websites, blog, or any kind of other websites, then without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to SEMrush.com, and when you go to SEMrush.com, it will ask you to sign up for the account. You can sign up for the account using the appropriate pricing plan that you want to choose. So I already have a plan there, and I'm already logged into the SEMrush account. Once you will logged into your SEMrush account, you will see something like this. This is actually the dashboard of SEMrush account. So in here, because in this video we are only concerned about the keyword research, so I'm gonna go to this keyword research option here. That is keyword overview, the very first thing here. Before we go forward, I wanted to show you that there are other tools available here also. So for now, we have opened the SEO tab here, and by default you will see the SEO tab open. If you will click on this SEO tab, you will see that you have tools that are available are for SEO, local SEO, advertising, social media, content marketing, and some for the trends and age. These are the urgency solutions. So for now, we are talking about the SEO, and specifically we are talking about the keyword overview. So in this keyword overview, when you will click in here, you will see there it is asking you to enter your seed keyword or your keyword that you want to target, and then in here you will see the option to choose a country. So for now, as you can see, we have this website that is providing the services of B2B appointment setting or B2B lead generation. So I'll type in B2B lead generation and B2B appointment setting. So for now, I'm going with these two keywords, and for this country I want to use the US for now, and then I'll click on this search. So once you will click on search, you will see this option here. Now these are some of the keywords that don't have a lot of traffic in here, so you will see just a few keywords in here, and as you can see here, it only shows me the B2B lead generation and B2B appointment setting. But if I'll go back to this keyword research option there, and if I search for a different keyword, so for example, instead of B2B lead generation, if I search for digital marketing, and here you can see it shows me the volume of the keyword and the keyword difficulty, and here it shows me the global volume, and here the intent behind this keyword. So the digital marketing is actually the informational keyword. This doesn't have any kind of commercial intention attached to it. And you will see some related keywords, and then some of the questions that people ask related to digital marketing on search, and then there are some of the keyword variation. We'll get into all of these things in just a while. Here are some of the SERP analysis. So this showing that users or people who are using the PPC campaign are working here. So this is actually the SERP analysis, and then there are some PLA copies, and we don't have any of that data available. And then we have this keyword ad history that is specifically again related to PPC ad campaign. So now moving forward, if I search for B2B appointment setting again here, you'll see that the volume is this much, 480, and the keyword difficulty is not actually that much difficult, 35% difficult it is. And then you have this global volume here, and then the intent is actually informational and commercial. So you'll see this option changing according to the keyword that you are researching. So there are some of the keyword variations here, so and then there are some of the questions that people ask, and then these are some of the related keywords. So this is actually the seed keyword, or the keyword that I want to target for this website, and when I search this one, this is what I get. This is actually just the overview of the keyword, nothing more than that. If in this keyword variation, if I click on this view all 120 keywords, it will show me all 120 keywords. Now you also might have noticed that we were on this keyword overview tab, and it automatically switched us to this keyword magic tool. Now this keyword magic tool of SEMrush is used to do the in-depth analysis for the keywords that you want to target. So here, as you can see, we have B2B appointment setting. Here in the B2B appointment setting, you can see this one is the broad match, and then this is we have the option for the phrase match and the exact match and then the related. The broad match is like it will show you the keywords that are broadly matching to type of the keyword that you are researching. If I switch to the phrase match, it will actually show you the phrases that contains your keywords that you are trying to research. If I switch to exact research, it will show me the exactly same keyword. So here you can see that I have typed in B2B appointment setting, and then here you can see B2B appointment setting, B2B appointment setting services, B2B appointment setting companies. So these are the exact matches. And then you have this related option here. If I click on this related, then here you can see that it's still loading, and here you can see this showing the related keywords. So related keywords are also the important keywords that you want to include in your keyword research as well. So just start from this broad match. If I click on this broad match again, it will get loaded once again. So looking at this table here, first of all you have all of these keywords available here that are the broad match. Then this one is intent. Now this company website that I created is actually providing the commercial services, so I want to target the commercial key phrase or the keyword. The good thing about SEMrush is that it automatically categorizes the keywords based on their search intention, so I don't have to think about whether it's a informational keyword or it's a commercial keywords that I am targeting. There are obviously other kind of keywords as well. You might learn about them on Google or from any other videos. I don't have them yet. So there are other kind of keywords also. Some are navigational and some are informational, some are commercial. So for now I am only interested in the commercial keywords and very low interested about the informational keywords. So this one here, you can see this can be a commercial keyword or can be an informational keyword as well. But if we look at the volume, this has this much 480 volume, and then the trend is that it is only going upward. And then for the keyword difficulty thing here is 35%. It is possible to rank on this keyword. And then this CPC is for PPC ads, the people who are using the Google ads to drive the traffic to their website. This is for them. And then this one is the competition. So this starts from 0.1 and goes to 1.0. 0.1 means the lowest competition and 1.0 means the highest competition here. Then there are the sub features. In the sub features, it is showing you that the search results page shows you the reviews, site links, and then the FAQs, then what people ask, and some of the images and the ads. So this is what SERP is showing for this particular keyword that I search for B2B appointment setting, B2B appointment setting. So if I now switch to this phrase match, we'll see the phrases that are actually related to the keywords that I search for. In here, I can switch between United States and I can change it to something like Canada because website is based on Canada. If I switch to Canada, you'll notice that we have a change in the search results and the keywords that we get here now. Now here you can see that we have this B2B appointment setting companies. This one is a commercial keyword and the whole list is now updated. With the keyword difficulty, this is 41% difficult, and the competition, that is very low, 0.15%. It's not that much competition as compared to this one B2B appointment setting that I search for that have a competition of 0.67%. As of the basic rule of keyword research, you want to target the keywords that have more of the search volume and have the lowest competition or the lower competition. So you are only interested in the keywords that have lower competition and have a greater search volume. That is the basic of any kind of keyword research that you will ever do. So for example, in here for the keyword that I search for is B2B appointment setting, and the B2B appointment setting, you can see we have a search volume of 40. The trend is like this, like sometimes it's up and sometimes it's down. It's not like very drastic changes or very sudden changes in the graph. It's just sometimes it goes up and sometimes goes down. It's the same for B2B appointment setting companies here. But if you look at the trend for this keyword, B2B appointment setting services, at some point it was on peak, but then all of a sudden it went down and now it is moving in the same fashion or the same trend, I can say. So in here, what we can do is to look for the keywords that we want to target. So for example, I want to target this from the broad matches. This is the keyword that I search for, and this one is the keyword that SEMrush provided me. Now in here, I'll go through the list and I'll have to find out the keywords that I want to target. So for example, B2B lead generation and appointment setting services is the good keyword. Paper appointment services and B2B appointment setting companies. Affordable B2B appointment setter. So I have choose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 keywords here. Now I'll add them to the keyword list. So I'll have to type the keyword list and I'll name it as keyword we search here, and now these keywords are added in my list, and here you can see we have this thing here. Okay, and when you hover over, it will show you this small list icon here. That is one thing. Now if I switch to this phrase match, in the phrase match you will see the keywords that I already have added and some of the phrases that the SERP is showing. So in here you can see B2B appointment setting services. So I want to use this one as well, so I'll simply click on plus and it will automatically get added in my list. I'll add this keyword as well, and then appointment setting B2B, I want to use this one as well. Then for the related service searches, we don't have any data available for the related keywords. For the exact matches we have all these keywords here. Now if you want, you can if I switch to broad match, I can narrow them using the search volume and the keyword difficulty. For the keyword difficulty, if I switch to like possible, it will show me the keyword that is possible to rank for. But if I switch for the hard, it doesn't show any of the keyword, because in the list that he have provided does not contain any of the keywords that are difficult to rank. Then next to it we have the intent filter. So using the intent filter we can filter out the search results based on the intents. As I was talking, there are search intents that are called informational, or the navigational, or the commercial, or the transactional. So I'm pretty much interested in the commercial and informational keywords. So I'll click apply here, and here you can see we don't only have one keyword that matches our criteria. Then we have CPC, that is actually related to PPC ads or the Google ads. Then the include keywords, I can type in the keywords here, and then the exclude keywords, I can then exclude the keywords from some of the results that is showing. And there are some of the advanced filter where I can use the word count from 2, competitive density, SERP features, and the result of SERP features. That is what we have at this point. Then the keywords that I already have choose here, I can actually export them, and then I can export them to XLX Excel file or the CSV file. So let's just download them in the XLX file for now so that I can use them later. Then if we move to the keyword manager tool here, so in this keyword manager tool here you can see that you can collect your favorite keywords from across SEMrush, save your finding, get fresh matrices, and export your finding into Excel file or CSV files using the SEMrush tool. So let's click on this create list button here, and this one we'll call it B2B appointment setting services. So I'll click on create list here. There is the list that I already have created, and this one is what I just created. If I click on this one, you can see all the keywords that we added in the list using this keyword magic tool are showing here. So if I want, I can export them in the Excel file also. So I want to export them into the Excel file. And here we have the position tracking. So if you have any website, you can add the URL of that website, and then you can track their positioning here. And then we have organic traffic inside. So for the organic traffic, how much traffic are they getting? So for example, if we go to this position tracking, and if I copy this domain name here, and if I enter the domain name here, if I click on setup tracking here, it will ask me the search engine. So I want to use the Google search engine, and the device desktop, mobile, tablet. For now let's use desktop, and for the location I want to add it only for Canada. Okay, and the language should be English, and the business name for a local map pack is completely optional, so I don't want to fill this out for now. So I'll click on continue to the keyword. So here we'll have to add the keywords that the website is using. So for now, just for the video purposes, I'll copy these keywords from here and I'll paste it here. Then from the next line I'll copy this keyword and I'll paste this keyword here, and then maybe we can grab one more keyword, maybe like B2B lead generation company. B2B lead generation company. Alright, so once we'll add the keywords here, can click on this start tracking. Now it is asking that no keywords are added, so I think we'll have to click on add keywords to campaign, and now these are adding here. Waiting to start, so we'll have to click on start, and now it will take some time, and now it is gathering all the data that may be related to the keywords that we have added. Now this might take some time, we'll have to wait for them. So let's just wait for them and see what the result they will provide. So in here you can see the overview that it have provided us for the keyword for the certain domain that I have added. As you can see, there is not much of a traffic going on for the certain keyword that I've searched for. That was just for the demo purposes I have used those keywords. And here you can see there is showing the visibility, the estimated traffic, not applicable. All of these data that is showing, SEMrush is showing here, you can get these data from your webmaster tools. If you have already set up, you can get that data from there, or you can get the traffic data from Google Search Console as well. So this is just one thing here, and then you have this organic traffic inside. I don't think it will work like that much, so I want to copy this thing, the domain. I want to insert this domain here, and then let's see the organic traffic inside. So it's asking me to connect the Google account. I don't want to connect the Google account for now, so I'll remove this. But if you want to get the organic traffic inside, you'll have to connect the Google account with SEMrush here, so that it can get access to your Google Search Console and the other tools that are available for the website. So this is all about the keyword research for your SEO. Now there is again one more thing, that is the local SEO, but local SEO is pretty much related to GMB and your map listings, so we'll go through them in the next video. So I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.